Ready on the set? Lights. Camera. Action. And 3, 2, 1.
Narito tayo ngayon para makita at matuklasan ang fishing culturing ng URS Cardona Campus. Halika kayo at samahan niyo akong alamin kung ano ba ang ginagawa sa lugar na yun. Magandang hapon. Ako si Joseph Pasagi at narito tayo sa hatchery ng URS Cardona kung saan makikita natin ang mga tilapia na inaalagaan dito. Makikita natin dito ang Oreochromis niloticus o mas kilala natin bilang tilapia. Tilapia is the most consumed farm fish in the Philippines with a yearly consumption of 4.6 kilograms per person. Yet, the tilapia fishing sector has declined by 35% in the last 8 years due to climate change issues. Laguna is one of the major sources of tilapia in Luzon, providing this fish to the major cities like Angeles, Baguio, and Metro Manila. We can see the significance of tilapia to the daily consumption of Filipinos. It is important to us to culture and cultivate this part of the fishing industry.